In October 1940, Mussolini ordered the invasion of Greece. The offensive stalled almost immediately. Greek forces counterattacked through mountains and winter storms, pushing the Italians back into Albania. By early 1941, the front had moved north, deep into Albanian territory. In April 1941, Germany intervened. Artillery and dive bombers struck the Metaxas line along the Bulgarian frontier. German troops pushed through the mountain passes as tanks advanced behind them. Within days, the front collapsed, and German forces entered Salonika. Britain rushed troops from Egypt to reinforce Greece, sending men and equipment across the Mediterranean. The German advance continued with overwhelming force. Luftwaffe attacks destroyed aircraft on the ground and struck retreating Allied columns. German armored units pushed south through the mountains while British and Commonwealth forces attempted to delay the advance. Bombers attacked ships, evacuating troops along the coast. Within weeks, German forces entered Athens, and Greek commanders began negotiations. The campaign in mainland Greece was over. The remaining Allied forces withdrew to the island of Crete. Both sides prepared for the next battle. German commanders planned an airborne assault on Crete. On the island, British and Commonwealth troops reinforced their positions, unloading equipment and preparing to defend the airfields. On May 20th, the attack began. Stukas bombed airfields and defensive positions across the island. Transport aircraft followed, dropping waves of German paratroopers over Crete. Fighting erupted immediately as defenders opened fire on the descending troops. Despite heavy losses, the paratroopers secured key positions, and reinforcements soon arrived by air and sea. German forces slowly gained control of the island as Allied troops were pushed back toward evacuation. Hundreds of British and Commonwealth soldiers were taken prisoner. The battle for Crete was over. Crete was now under German control. The battle had been won, but at a heavy cost for Germany's elite paratroopers.